Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add someone on OnlyFans whether you want to follow a creator or subscribe to their contents. So let's get started. First, open the OnlyFans on your phone or browser and make sure that you are logged in with their account. In order to find the person that you want to add, there are few easy ways to find someone on OnlyFans. If they shared a link, just tap on their OnlyFans profile link or tap the search icon given at the top right corner and type the username. Once entered, tap done. You can also find the creators through social media links like Twitter or Instagram. Now from the search result, look for the individual that you like, then tap on the profile name to open it. Here you can see their profile picture, bio and subscription details. In order to add them to your account, tap subscribe if the account is paid or tap follow if the account is free. But for this, it is a paid account, so tap on please add a payment card. And please make sure to enter your valid card details. Also click the option in order to confirm that your age is over 18 or at least 18. Then after entering all your valid details, tap submit, and after subscribing or following, their post will start appearing in your feed and you can also message them directly if messaging is enabled. And that's how you can successfully add someone on OnlyFans, where you can now view their contents, get updates as well as interact with them. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.